Today I want to try to make my plastic fenders look black again. As you can see, they're like faded out. So I'm gonna be trying out this new thing that I saw at Walmart. It's from Mother's. It's called Back to Black. So let's test it out and see if it actually works. It was about $6-7, so not bad. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a decently clean rag. So you can see I have a rag here from Harbor Freight. Just gonna pour a little bit on there, and then we're just gonna pick a small area and we're just gonna start rubbing it in. Wow, like instantly, look at the difference. You have like a faded black and you have back to black. So we're just gonna let that soak in for a little bit. I'll go ahead and take care of another area. So let's see right here. So you kind of want to leave it wet a little. Let's go back here, just underneath. I want to try to put a thicker amount. Just do it like that. Don't want to take it off completely, just want to make sure I cover every area, and we'll just let that sit there wet. Now you gotta keep it wet, don't let it, like, don't put just a small layer. So let's check back, and it says here, treat one area at a time, allow to penetrate, then buff with a clean microfiber. So I guess it's this one has my hair all over the place. So I guess it's kind of like waxing your car. So let's just let that sit, and we'll come back and check it out. You guys, I took care of one side, as you can see here. Look at how much black there, except for that, the passenger side. But I took care of all this. Look at what a difference. Look at the untreated side. So New brakes. See what a difference so far it makes? Alright, so we're gonna go in now and just give it a rub. So I'm gonna use the clean side of the towel. Really get it in there and penetrate it. Right in the little corners. Look at that. It's like brand new. And all you have to wait for $6. Oh, what tax? $70. Just still nothing compared to for it to try to replace it or go to some professionals. These little corners in here. So I left this one without the coat just because I wanted to give you guys a side-by-side of how it looks. Look at the difference. Sorry. Look at the difference between the two. This one already has the back to black and this one has nothing. This is what it was before. It's crazy. Like, car looks brand new, and I was thinking about painting it, but painting is such a hassle. This is literally like 1, 2, 3, and that's it. It's actually way easier than waxing your car. I definitely recommend it. Definitely a must-have because that sun damages the paint and fades it off. Alright, you guys, well, I hope you liked this video and I hope it was useful to you guys. If you want more DIYs, please let me know down below. I'm gonna be giving a lot of things to try. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys subscribe to my channel and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.